In this video, I'm going to show you how I raised and leveled my koi pond edges using sheet foam and spray foam. Ideally, the best ring or border around your pond is made of concrete. But since the pond is already installed and I'm trying to fix an ongoing problem, I didn't want to pull up the liner and build forms and haul a bunch of concrete and rebar to build the new ring. So instead, we're using a pink foam insulation with spray foam and landscaping nails to hold everything in place. And I'll show you how I did that. In this section here, you can see it took 3 layers to bring it up level with the rest of the pond. And each seam is offset from the other one. And then a stake, landscaping stake, is driven in between each seam and also to lock it in the ground. So building up layer by layer, locking them together with spray foam as the glue, and also spray foam to fill in any voids in the bottom. The pink building insulation comes in 4x8 sheets in various thicknesses from, I believe, 1 inch up to 3 inch. I decided to use 1.5 inches. It comes perforated in, I think, 16-inch sections, so it's easy to snap. But it's also easy to cut just with a razor blade and then snap again. And from that, you can carve out your borders whatever depth you need and build up as much height as you need. In some sections, we had to go up 6 inches, other sections 3 inches, so it worked out pretty well. And to build this size pond, I used 2 sheets of 1.5 inches and about 10 cans of spray foam and about 50 landscaping nails. A few benefits to using the pink foam is, one, weight. It's a lot easier to move, it's a lot easier to work with, it goes pretty fast. 2 is that once the liner goes over the top of it, you put rocks on it, it doesn't create a pinch point to put holes in your liner. And the edge is still strong enough to walk on. So far, the pink border setup has made it through 1 winter without splitting or falling apart, so I'm pretty optimistic about it. Give it a try and let me know what you think.